Now here is a cicada, and I always see these boogers dead. I actually found one that's, well, mostly alive anyway. It was still fluttering around. Thought I'd get a good close view of it. These are pretty large insects. They make a lot of noise at night. If you haven't ever heard a cicada, look them up on, well, YouTube, but not this not this particular video. He's not making any noise. They make a lot of noise, and a lot of people do not like the noise that they make. It doesn't really bother me that much. I like listening to the summer sounds outside my window. But anyway, I just thought I'd get a good close view of what one looks like. I guess he's not gonna move for me anymore. Hey, if, I don't know, maybe he was in his last throws there. If that's the case, let me try to pick him up and see if I can get a better view for you guys. No, he's still moving around. Bon, this is not a treat for you. Oh.
Oh, Bon doesn't know what to do. Bon, what are you doing? I was doing like a nature documentary. Now you're killing my nature. What are you doing to my nature, dog? I was using that nature. Okay, well, Bon versus the nature. Bon, I mean, if you lose the fight against a bug, I'm gonna make fun of you forever. Okay, it's not to eat. Don't eat. Bon, don't eat the bug. Bon, don't eat that bug. Well, I guess you did win, so points for winning a fight against a bug, I guess. Better than my wife could do. Where is it? You didn't actually eat it, did you? Oh, you're still biting on it. Silly dog. Alright, well, show's over. Bon is the winner.